Good morning. I've been troubled this morning as I went for my morning walk, thinking about how we as a society will ever really fully gain the potential advantages that AI has to offer. And if the compelling value of AI is to help us make more informed decisions, to integrate AI into our products, our services, our process, our policies, so that we as a society can make more informed decisions about how we allocate our precious resources, how is AI ever going to realize that benefit in a society that is so quick to accept lies as facts, right? The AI has to battle generations of human biases and prejudices to help people think more holistically about the decisions they're making. And the data's there. Some of the data's been not as thoroughly cleaned as it needs to be, but even in a world where the data's not perfect, we can still use the imperfect data to help us make better decisions. But maybe the single most important skill we should be teaching everybody, especially our youth, especially our students, more important than math, more important than engineering, more important than science, is critical thinking. We need to teach fundamentally the concepts of critical thinking. If we're ever going to leverage AI to achieve all that can become and to overcome those human biases and prejudices are so ready to accept lies as fact. So as we think about the taking full advantage of AI and what it can bring to society and to businesses and organizations, the fundamental first step isn't about technology. It isn't about science. It's about people and making sure we're teaching critical thinking skills so people can look at the information that's being presented to them. They can use their own intuition, the desire to explore, to validate, to make certain that that information they're being fed is actually true, because society is working against us right now. Anyway, I have great hope for the power of AI, but I think it fundamentally is going to start by making sure we teach critical thinking to everybody so that we know when and how to accept data and, hey, become Socrates. Embrace the Socratic method of when you're asked and presented information, ask some serious questions about it before you use that information to make a critical decision. Thanks for listening. There is hope for us as humans, maybe after all. Cheers.